Hey there everyone, welcome back. I am Bharat. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. In this video, we'll be installing Java JDK on Windows machine. So without any further delays, let's get started. So first things first, let's check if Java is installed. So Java hyphen version and enter. Sorry, there's space needed. So you can see Java is not identified. Let's clear this. Let's open up a browser. Search for Java JDK. So in this video, I'll be downloading and installing Java JDK 8. So you can install any version that you wish. So let's click on this link. Scroll down and so depending on which OS you want to download it for, you can choose this binaries. So I'll be downloading it for Windows 64. Let's click on this binary. Check this agreement and click on this download button. So obviously it'll ask for you to sign in if you're not signed in. I've already signed into the Oracle account. If you don't have an Oracle account, you can go ahead and create one and then you can sign in and download the JDK. So let's click on save and wait for the download to complete. Okay, so the download is now complete. Let's click on this installer. And minimize this window. Let's wait for the installer to spin up. Okay, here's our installer. So let's click on next, and let's sit back and wait for the installation to get complete. Let's click OK. Next. Okay, so the installation is now complete. Let's click on close, open up the terminal and check for Java version. You can see Java is now installed. So that is it for today's videos, guys. If you found this was helpful, hit on the like button, share it with your friends, and drop your valuable thoughts and suggestions in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet, and hit on the notification bell so you never miss out any of our latest updates. Thank you for watching. I look forward to meet you guys in the upcoming video.